forecast with Emily. There was talk a little earlier about whether or not we're even approaching record territory, because it's certainly hot.
We're hot, but we're not even close. So actual air temperature, the record high temperature for this date is 100 degrees. That was set back in 1955. And today, well, we are only in the low 90s.
Okay.
So it feels a lot worse, though, once you tack on that humidity. Here's a look at the temperatures. We're at 91 degrees at O'Hare. Same thing in Aurora, 92 now in Joliet. Kankakee is up to 93. It's 91 in Rensselaer and 88 degrees in Gary. So fortunately, we are a little bit cooler there at the lakefront. Once you factor in dew point temperatures that are in the low to mid 70s, this is what it's feeling like. It's feeling like 100 degrees now in Aurora. Same thing in DeKalb, also in Morris, 102 in LaSalle, feeling like 99 in Gary. Same thing in Valparaiso, and it's also feeling like 99 degrees at O'Hare. So this is a look at our heat headlines that we have for all locations across the south suburbs into the southwest suburbs, highlighted in pink here. That's an excessive heat warning that's in effect through 9 p.m. tomorrow. And for all locations that are highlighted in orange, and this now does include Cook County, this is a heat advisory in place until 9 p.m. tomorrow for heat index values as high as about 107. For those of you in the pink, your heat index values could be as high as 110 to 112 during peak heating hours today and again tomorrow. So your 5-day forecast in terms of rain chances, we have rain back in the forecast for Friday, and that's going to be coming in the form of showers and thunderstorms. Strong to severe thunderstorms are going to be possible Friday evening. By Saturday morning, a couple lingering showers, but after that, we're drying things out. The rest of your weekend looks fine, and it's also going to feel much cooler too with the cold front moving through. So let's time some of these storms out. Right now, we have some activity that's further off to our west. A lot of this, though, is falling apart, so I'm not really counting on rain chances from that activity, but we have another system that's developing off to our northwest, and these storms are going to continue to develop and then likely begin to dive to the south. This model's really keeping the majority of the activity to our north, but there is a chance that we see some strong, maybe even severe storms moving through after about 2 a.m. tonight through 7 a.m. tomorrow. Damaging wind gusts going to be the primary concern. And then the rest of tomorrow, the daytime hours anyway, we're mainly dry. It's going to be hot, going to be humid. We'll have those dew point temperatures in the 70s again, and those heat index values likely in the triple digits. But then watch what happens after about 6 or 7 p.m. We see another round of showers and storms moving through, and they could be strong or severe. In fact, it looks like many of these will end up being strong or severe. The Storm Prediction Center has us in a level 2 out of 5 risk, that slight risk category, meaning scattered severe storms are going to be possible, and all hazards could be possible as this makes its way through. So tomorrow, your time frame that we're looking at is going to be from about 6 p.m. through midnight. After that, I think the severe threat's really going to be dropping off, and then we are quiet as we go into this upcoming weekend. That cooler air, that's going to begin to sink into high temperatures this weekend in the low 80s. For tonight, 76 degrees. We'll have southeasterly winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Again, that thunderstorm chance after about 2 a.m. 7-day forecast, severe storms late tomorrow during the evening into the overnight, lingering showers Saturday morning. After that, we are so much more comfortable in the low to mid 80s until 90s return next week. Natalie.
All right. Thank you, Emily. For the 11th